At Master Electronics, we make it easy for our customers to purchase electronic components. But some of our customers don't know that we can actually assemble those components for them. Introducing the Master ValueAdd Program. We perform wire terminations on a wide variety of components, from fans, to relays, to power supplies, making them to your exact application and requirements. We can add a connector to just about anything. Need a large wire harness assembly? We can make that for you. How about DIN rail assemblies? We have you covered. Need kitting or labeling performed? Master can do that for you too. We even do microcontroller programming. Our partnerships with suppliers allow us to purchase at cost, so utilizing Master's ValueAdd Program for your assemblies will reduce the time, money, and number of purchase orders required when sourcing from many different suppliers, all while consolidating assemblies to a single part number. Additionally, our high stocking levels minimize lead time, and we can even hold inventory for your projects. With no minimum or maximum quantity, we can help you no matter the size of the project. All you need is a bill of materials, drawings, and the quantity desired. With Master, you'll save on labor and shipping costs and overall cost of the assembly, all with less time spent and less headache. So you're already buying a part from us, let us connect it for you. Learn more about our ValueAdd program and reach out to your Master Electronics sales representative today.